If you feel like buying a house in Australia is impossible today, you're not imagining it. 20 years ago, a single average income could realistically buy a home. Today, even dual income households are struggling. So, what actually changed? Was it interest rates? Or is the system stacked differently now? Let's break down the numbers with real data. Section 1: House prices versus income. Let's start with the most important comparison: house prices versus income. Back in the early 2000s, the median Australian home cost around $350,000. Median household income was about $80,000. That gave a price-to-income ratio of just 4.4. Today, the median home is $1 million. Household income is $120,000. The ratio now, 8.3. That's nearly double. Same country, same work ethic, completely different maths. Section 2: The deposit is the biggest barrier. Now here's what locks most people out. The deposit. A 20% deposit back then was $70,000. Today, $200,000. Even if you save 15% of your income every year, look how long it takes. Point to years to save. Then 5.8 years. Today, 11.1 years. And that's assuming prices don't rise while you're saving. This is why the bank of mom and dad is now normal, not because young people aren't trying, but because the goalpost has moved. Section 3. But interest rates were higher. Back then, some say interest rates were higher in the past. True, 7% then versus 6.5% now. But look at the loan size. Back then, $280,000. Today, $800,000. Monthly repayments, then $1,978. Today, $5,401. And as a percentage of income, then 29.7%. Today, 54%. It's not about the rate, it's about the sheer size of the debt. Section 4. Rent is the silent trap. Now let's talk rent. Back then, annual rent was $15,000. Today, $36,000. As a share of income, then 18.8%. Today, 30%. And look what's left to save after rent, then $65,000. Today, $84,000. Sounds better? But remember, today's deposit is $200,000. Rent is eating the very money people need to escape renting. Section 5. Why this happened. So why did this happen? Decades of underbuilding, population growth, and restrictive planning laws, plus tax policies that encouraged housing as an investment, not just a home. The result? Buyers competing with investors in a market that doesn't build enough supply. Reality check. If buying a home feels harder than it used to be, it's because it is. Prices outpaced wages, deposits doubled, debt tripled. This isn't about avocado toast or laziness, it's a structural shift. And understanding it is the first step to fixing it. If this helped you understand the housing crisis, hit like and subscribe. And if someone tells you young people just need to work harder, send them this video. Thanks for watching.